everybody, welcome to today's vlog. Today we're doing Hell's Revenge and Fins and Things. I put this both into one video itself. It didn't take long to do either trail, and we didn't do any of like the obstacles off the trail like Mickey's hot tub or the staircase or the devil's backbone or something like that, whatever the hell that is. What's that one? Anyways, we didn't do really any obstacles off of the trail, the main trail itself, because there was hardly any way to here. I mean, there was a good group of Jeeps in front of us, but they were moving really slow and they were just kind of taking their time, so it is what it is. Thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, and we'll get to the video.
Trail number 2.
Cakewalk. Alright, Fins and Things isn't really like challenging. There's some obstacles here and there, but it's nothing too crazy, so.
That's gonna hit hard, isn't it?
Yeah, take it slow. Slow. Nice.
Like a glove.
This is a 1973 International Scout with a small block Chevy motor. Yeah. Guys, we're not even through the thick of it.
No, we probably gotta get a move on.
Right? This is just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. The sounds of engines in the background. Fresh air.
Do you want me to get out and get you going down?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean,
yeah,
I feel
guys.
bad. I feel bad for you.
Whatever. Oh, it's my good song too. Yeah, I'm gonna get your back.
Yeah. I'll come back up and pick you up.
I don't think you guys can see this, but this is extremely steep. Oh. Ooh, this is slippery. I'm in hiking boots. It's slick. What sucks is that when you're in the talent, and many of you guys know because you guys probably ride all the time, is like you can't see anything past the dash. So when you come to a huge steep decline, you gotta look out your door, like your windows and stuff to see where you're going. But a lot of these around here, like you actually have to get out of your rig to see the line.
Alright, so we just passed the hot tub, which is up on the top of this hill right here that we just came down. If I had a group with me, I would attempt it.
Mickey's hot tub.
Yeah, Mickey's hot tub.
We're about to go to the escalator.
Yeah.
And then tip over challenge.
Beautiful.
Oh, just what I love.
The main trail itself isn't that hard. Like what we've been doing is just a main trail. There's like obstacles in different areas that you can attempt to do off the main trail. Some spots like this though, you just have to do them. So.
It wasn't hard.
No, none of it's hard. You get plenty of traction everywhere, so you're not really limited on traction. It doesn't lock in.